Hey YouTube, wagwan. So today we're gonna work on this Chevy Malibu. So if your Malibu look like this, it's gonna be the same procedure of removing the door panels. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the passenger front door panel. Reason B, you have a hole right here, so I'm gonna change it. And also you can check in the links in the description for links to the parts as well. I'm gonna leave links down there for where you can get the parts from, and also you can support the channel through the links. So you want to get a pick to just start in the corner right there. Pick that out, and then you're gonna have access to this probably 7 or 8 millimeter screw right there. Then we're gonna come down here, this mat right here. You can use your finger to take it out, as well as you can use a pick. You're gonna have another 7 or 8 millimeter. It should be 7. So we have a 7 millimeter right here. Turns out to be 7. Turn out to be 7. And then you want to check along the edge to make sure you don't have no more screw. You find one right here. Turn out to be 7 millimeter as well. And then we want to check the rest of the door, and we don't find any more. So I'm gonna use impact. So guys, you don't have to use it. So guys, you don't have to use impact drill. What you can use this right here, a ratchet handle. And once you're doing that, once you remove all the screws, you just want to feel back here for like a gap, and then you just want to pull on it real hard, like 1, 2, 3, and then you want to work your way around. So let me see if I can do it, show you guys on camera. And I think there's probably one more screw holding it, but I miss. So there should be one more screw that I miss. It should be under here. So we're gonna get our flat our pick, just get in the corner so we don't damage anything. And the door material is soft. Just pull up on that. So once we pull up on this, you can do the same thing for the other side. You can run it from underneath here now and pry up on that clip down there. Alright, so now that we removed the window switch, what we're gonna do is pull back this white piece right here, because that's like a lock for the clip. And then we're gonna unplug the plug, and then that's it. So this right here, we're gonna have our another 2, actually it's 2 screw. They're gonna be 7 millimeter as well. You wanna be careful not to drop them in the door. So with both of these off, the door should be more ready to come off. So you can get a flathead screwdriver or a panel tool, whichever you have. Kind of pull it out, work it in. I need a bigger screwdriver, this is too small. So guys, some of the clip probably leave back in the door, but that's no big deal. You can take them out at a later date. Well, not a date, a time. Let me see. You want to hold the door, lift up on the panel. just gonna come off just like that, because this part of the panel, it hooks, as you can see over here, so that's why you gotta unhook it. So now we gotta unhook the door panel itself. So we gotta squeeze this right here, pull back, lift up. This right here, we gotta pull on this red thing. Squeeze the black, pull down on it, and then the door panel is ready to come off. So I have another door panel which is used, and now is the time to remove the rest of the clips that's left in the door. Sometimes you might break some of the clips when taking off the door. It's no big deal, just have a replacement. But sometimes you won't break any, sometimes you'll break some. That's all there is. This one stay in the door, it didn't break anything, but I'm gonna have to take it out with a clip puller. So you can see this clip stay in the door, but it didn't break. So we're gonna take it out. Get the camera to look at it. Put this right there, hold this right here. Come out just like that. And then we're gonna put it on the other door panel that I have that don't have a hole in it. So guys, we have a used one here. What we're gonna do is take some of the clips that's missing from the used one and put them back on this one. Oh, this clip looked damaged, so we're gonna take this clip out. We're gonna get one from this door. Put this right here. So we purchased this one used, and the reason why this door got, like, I could get hit with a bullet, but they didn't change the door panel, so I guess that's why I'm doing that right now. But apart from that, the windows work, everything worked good, so just gonna put back the door panel now. We gotta hook up all these first, just the same way, and run this wire, so when we're ready we can plug the clip in. So guys, now it's time to put it back on. This, we gotta hook it first. So we gotta put the ball in here first. So we gotta put the ball in first like this. Then you wanna pull it. Just like that. You wanna test it, make sure it works. Alright, that's good. This, we wanna rerun it through here. We wanna rerun that through there, so it can go through here to connect to the switch, and this we want to connect to the door lock power switch. Here. This. So one little trick you can do is turn on the ignition. So you want to press and hold it for like 6 seconds, so you can get power to to the switch and bring down the window, and it will help you to hook it better. Alright, so it's hooked good now. Now we gotta line up the clips for the holes and lock it in. So guys, just now putting back everything. I already catch the 2 screw here, I catch that one there, I catch that one there. Only one left is this one right here. And after I finish this, I'm gonna give it to the guys so they can clean the door so it can look real nice. So if your door come with dirt, it's best to clean it before you even put it on, but because I'm not the one that do the cleaning, so I just do it and they will clean it afterwards. But make sure your window work, door lock switch work, you hear them go off, make sure that work too. And that's about it for this one, guys. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Link will be in the description as well, you can check them out down there. Link for the parts as well, and links for the tool. Peace out, see you next time.